Hey there, did you know you can customize how your Gmail looks on your PC? It's super simple. Let me guide you through the process. First things first, open your preferred web browser and type gmail.com and log in to your Gmail account. Once you are in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is your settings menu. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. Click on it. Now click on the Inbox tab at the top. Here you'll find options to customize your inbox type like default, important first. You can see from here. Simply choose the one that suits your workflow. Once you have selected it, scroll down and click Save Changes. And that's it, your Gmail view is now customized to your liking. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.